gel, everyone, okay? You're going to apply the gel, okay? First, you are going to apply the gel, everyone, okay? You're going to apply the gel for them right here, okay? I'm just going to apply a little, okay? I'm just going to apply a little, okay? And then, what are we going to do? And then, what are we going to do is we just directly use it, okay? Like this, okay? You can do it like this. When you are using this, okay, you will get a little bit of the tinnitus, but it's okay. You can stand it. It's not that strong, okay? You do it like this, okay? Especially your waist, okay? We need our waist look like this. I make it go in, okay? Otherwise, it's straight. It's not okay, okay? It's not good. So we do it like this. This is for the side, and then for the other part, okay? You can do it like this, okay? Do it like this, okay? Or